Hey y'all, it's your girl Day. Welcome to the channel. This is your first time here, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe because this is YouTube and that's what everybody said at the beginning of their video, so I gotta say it too. Okay, and today we going over some face stuff, okay, because me stressing out and my mental health and everything, girl, my face is looking like a crunch bar. I don't look like a crunch bar right now. I still got some problem areas right here on my cheek and then on my chin and then right there a little bit on my forehead, not that much, but girl, let me tell you, I was looking like a crunch bar. I tell you, I would look in the mirror and I'd be like, what is wrong with your face? What is wrong with your face? Because when I was little, I used to have, not little, but younger, whatever, middle school and stuff, my acne used to be nasty. Well, not it was nasty to me. It wasn't as bad as some people, but it was nasty to me. And I don't got it down. I just wash my face every day now until we break out unless I'm stressing. But today, we about to, I've been using this. My mama got it for me. Let me put the lid on so I can show y'all. It's this Indian healing sun mask. Girl, this works. Okay? It ain't even been 2 weeks yet. Forehead clearing up, everything clearing up. My cheeks and stuff was looking like crunch bars. Okay, this works. I'm not about to lie to y'all. That's why I was using it, because I'm sick of people coming on here with clear skin already trying to tell me what to do to my face. And I was really going through some stuff, and I still got some bumps. I don't usually break out on my cheeks, so if I'm breaking out in this area, there's a real problem. Let me tell you. This right here, this works magic, and I'm about to tell y'all how. First of all, I'm gonna do what nobody else told y'all to do. This stuff says world's most powerful facial. Something is very powerful. If you got sensitive skin like me, don't put this on your face until you test it. I would recommend testing your neck, back right here, something, because I'd rather have some type of irritation on my neck or right here where it's like softer, sensitive skin. For me, you might have sensitive skin somewhere else, but test it somewhere because I'd rather have some irritation right here on my neck than on my face, you know what I'm saying? So test it out before you go and put it on your face, because people on YouTube just trying stuff, and what if your face like slid off or burnt off or peeled off or something, then you just be looking stupid. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I use this. You can use it as often as you want. Some people say use it, which means you go once a week, once a month, couple times a week. Girl, when I tell you it ain't be 2 weeks, I use this like every day or every 2 days because I was not playing. It felt good on my face afterwards. I wasn't really dry or anything. So you try it out, see how your skin feel. I always do face masks, so this was no problem for me. So this is what we're gonna do. You gotta use plastic, you can't use metal. The thing say not to use metal. I'm not about to test it out and use metal utensils in a metal bowl and stuff start blowing up on me. So I got a plastic bowl and plastic bowl. And you're gonna need the clay stuff. It comes as powder. I didn't know that, but it comes as powder. And then you need some apple cider vinegar. If you ain't got no apple cider vinegar, girl, just use some water until you can get some apple cider vinegar. It's $5 at the store. And it's a big old thing. Okay. So, open it up. This is what it look like. It's just powder. Yeah, it's just powder. So, got a little plastic spoon from Sonic that I didn't use. And I'm just taking a spoonful of this. Not even. You don't even need that much. Okay. This is kind of shaking. I always have that first. So I use like this much. That's it. That's all I'm using. Put it in a bowl. That's what it. Okay. And then I take apple cider vinegar with the mother. Shake it up because they say the mother is good for stuff. It's that little chalky stuff that be at the bottom. So shake it up so that's in there. And I just use 2 capfuls of this. You can use as much as you want. If you like yours a little more runny, you like yours a little thick, just do it how you like it. You know what the taste good. But I just use 2. And if you feel like apple cider vinegar is too much for your skin, you can put some water in there too. But I would recommend, if you have it, put at least 1 capful of this so you can do like that with water. Okay, close that up. It like does some type of reaction, but you can hear it fizzling. Yeah, it does some fizzling. Then I'ma just mix this up. This also works really good as a spot treatment. Like if I got like bumps like at nighttime, I'll take a little bit of this and just put it like on the bump and it dries it right out. So I mixed it up. This would look like that's all I'm gonna need, and I'm probably gonna have some leftovers. So I just got this makeup brush that I don't use. You can use you can use your hands, you can do whatever. You can use that spoon, whatever you need to use. And it don't mess up your makeup brushes or nothing as long as you rinse it out as soon as you finish with it. It don't mess it up. I don't use it for nothing else, but ain't nothing wrong with it. I can still use it for makeup if I want to. And I'm gonna just spread this on my face. If your apple cider vinegar was in the refrigerator, it's gonna be cold in your face. Fair warning. Try to get it on there fast and evenly because you don't want it to be dry in certain places and then not dry other places. You just don't pull a mess. Don't pull off your eyebrows or nothing. If you get it in some hairs, it'll come out when you wash your face. Some people say, like, don't get even this close to your eyes because it'll cause some irritation. I haven't experienced that. It don't make my eyes water or anything. They might be putting like hella apple cider vinegar in there, or they just have like some type of reaction. That's what I always say. Nobody else said it in any of the videos I watched before I started using it. So I'm like, somebody need to tell these people. Y'all need to test it out because you don't know how your skin's gonna react to something that's supposed to be the world's most powerful. So I got a little bit of the stuff left over, but you see, I ain't need a whole bunch. You don't need multiple spoonfuls and stuff. So it's gonna be real tight. Like, it don't get like extremely tight. Some people say it feels like your face is being pulled up. It feels like any other face mask. They might have been leaving that thing on for like an hour or something. Just leave it on until it's dry, pretty much. Depending on your consistency, it's gonna take a different amount of time. Yeah, just leave it on until it's dry. You won't be able to talk or just be like lips moving or whatever. But if it starts like cracking, go ahead and wash it off because it makes it harder to wash once it starts cracking and stuff. So I'll be back. Okay, bye. Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, so my face mask is dry. As you can see, I can't move nothing from my lip. So it's time to rinse it off. All you do is rinse it off like you would any other face thing. Take some warm water. Cold water, it don't really come off. It don't come off as easily with cold water. Warm water come off. I'm gonna take mine off in the shower because my stink area is clean and I'm not about to make it dirty or whatever. So yeah, you just rinse it off and then I'll come back and show y'all what I do after I take this off. Okay, bye. Hello there, I'm back and I'm clean and my face is soft. Okay, so after I take that mask off, since I am using it for acne purposes, I go ahead and wash my face with what I wash my face with. And it's this exfoliating clear seal 5-in-1 exfoliating wash. It's $5 at Walmart, girl, if you want to get it. Alright, so after that, I'm going to take me some moisturizer in a cotton ball. If you got cotton things, that work too. I don't be wanting to touch my face a whole bunch after I wash it. Okay, taking a cotton ball, doing some moisturizer, and I'm just going to rub that across my face. I use it as a toner. I don't know what a toner even do, but with hazel, I think toners like tone your skin, like get rid of like dark spot. That's what with hazel is. I had this all dark spot right here and gone, and it's going away too. Helps get whatever you didn't get off when you washed your face too, so you don't copy about how you stick it. Go ahead and do that. Yes, ma'am. Alright. Let me see. I don't know, is this gross? Just like a little bit. You can't, my skin is clean. Alright, so we did that. Then, if you got some spot treatment you want to use, this is your time to put it on. I love clear too. This is a rapid action treatment gel. I got this from Walmart too. I think this is about $3. Okay, it worked real good. I live by this one right here. Come out clear. Okay? And put it on your problem area. Mind you, don't have to do all this. If you're just using a face mask, then use the face mask. Go ahead and use it. But this is like this has been working with me. And it ain't even been 2 weeks yet. And my forehead is clear. My cheeks is clearing up. I got a couple of bumps over there. Okay. They say just use a little bit for your whole face, but I use a little bit in each spot. Okay, like a little piece out of each area that I need. And that's what else cool. Nice and quick, like, because girl, we ain't got time to be out here looking like no crunch bars. And then regardless of how your skin is, I have very, very oily skin. So I use this moisturizing lotion. It's the Equate version instead of Good Girl. Same ingredients, cheaper price. My skin is oily, so I use just like that much. That's not even half a pump. Oh, daddy. Move the head off the face. Rub that in. Don't matter if your skin is oily, you need to moisturize. If you feel like your food is oily after moisturize, take a dry towel and block your face. And that's it, okay? If we got to the end of the video, you lit, you legit. Okay, I appreciate you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do, you've been on this before, but I gotta go. Okay, I must get in the bed and watch Star on Hulu. Bye.